Hello, my name is Lisa and I'm from Vertical Surfaces. Thank you so much for your time on the phone. I said that I would send through a video introducing our company, explaining a little bit more about what we do and also how we have been able to save time for builders in different parts of their construction projects. So we specialize in balustrades, aluminium, glass, and we also partnered up with some steel fabricators for steel balustrade solutions. What is different about us is the way that we measure for fabrication and installation. A little bit of a backstory. We are originally from the stone countertop industry. You would have often heard of a benchtop template. So we've spent 15 years in this industry and honed down our skills on templating. Now, what is different and what has changed with advanced technology is the ability to not only measure in 2D but in 3D as well, which opens up various industries to enable fabrication and faster and more accurate installation. So about a year and a half ago, we teamed up with a glass balustrade installer and his wife, who can apparently deadlift more than what many guys can. And so really using our expertise and skills, as well as his, we've been able to enter into the space. Now, a project that we were really privileged to be a part of recently was the Tauranga City Council. Now, they had 5 rises of stairs, and we, for various reasons, they were unable to template this physically using core flue. So they asked us to come on board with this, and what you see here in front of you is the template of the stairs. So very, very similar to a benchtop template. This is templated on site, but in CAD. From the panels are then designed exactly with their standoff holes and their handrail holes designed for production. The beauty of this is that then these panels, these glass panels, the sizes, the heights, and also the holes can be seen in a PDF, be signed off for compliance, but also then these sent in a DXF file, so the physical templates are not needed to be made. These are then sent off as a DXF file for CNC production. So that was such an exciting project to be a part of, and I'm proud to say that of all 68 panels that were designed, not one needed to be reworked, which was really exciting and really awesome. So another project on a much smaller scale, but does give you a little bit of an idea of how we are able to fabricate. This is a aluminium balustrade, a seamless fin aluminium balustrade, and this client didn't want the hassle of cleaning glass. So this is the template of the internal space of the home. A few other areas that we did measure, but this is all able to be stitched together. You're seeing it in 2D and then coming together in 3D. So from here, the balusters are then able to be designed exactly. So this is the CAD file, and the exact balusters are able to be designed. The backing plate, which is what the balusters are attached to, all holes are able to be pre-drilled, and the balusters, all the holes are able to be pre-drilled as well. And for stairs, this is really unheard of and very difficult to do, but this installation went smoothly and quickly, and an excellent example of what can be done with digital on-site templating with 2D and 3D. This is an example of a project where we were able to save this builder time in a different area of construction. So this here was a renovation, but it needed a steel plate along with the bolt holes marked. So we were able to measure this area in CAD and able to provide him with a PDF of the overall angles and also the bolt hole locations, and then send this file off to the steel fabricators for their design and fabrication. So in short, thank you very much for watching the video. We've partnered up with these fabricators a lot because they have CNC equipment and it makes for faster production. And so, look, as I said, we're a new company, but we are looking to team up with builders and construction firms that are looking to look towards advanced technology to make construction faster and smarter. While we don't Every area listed here does not always need digital templating. Quite often a tape measure and a handheld laser is just fine. We are very excited about entering the space and partnering up with different companies. So if you do have any of these, please send us a quote through. We'd love to have the opportunity to quote. And thank you very much for your time, and we look forward to staying in touch.